Welcome children. Let's continue with the same exercise 12.1. Here we are discussing chapter 12 ratio and proportion, and these questions are for class 7. The fourth question is distances travelled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour are 9 kilometers and 12 kilometers. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid is to speed of Akhtar. What they are giving? They are here given that there are two persons, Hamid and Akhtar. The distance travelled by Hamid. We will write down first what is given. Distance travelled by Hamid. How much is given? 9 kilometers. Write this 9 kilometers. Same way, write down distance travelled by Akhtar. Now, how much distance Akhtar has travelled? Covered 12 kilometers. What are they asking? They are asking to find out the ratio. Ratio of what? Ratio of speed of Hamid. How much he has travelled? Hamid to the speed of Akhtar. Now, what we will do? We will simply write down the values. Speed or distance travelled by Hamid, here it is 9 kilometers, and for Akhtar it is given 12 kilometers. So see children, this is the ratio. One more thing. Remember a start point that a ratio do not have any unit. Why it do not have? This I will tell you. So let me write down here 9 kilometers is to 12 kilometers. What will this become if I represent it in division form? I have explained in the first introduction session that we represent here or what is ratio? Representing or solving it in division by division. So see what will happen? Kilometer and kilometer will counter each other. This is the reason that ratio do not have any unit, because they will have same unit. Now cancel this, simplify. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So what is the ratio? 3 is to 4. Both the answers are correct. You can write down here 9 is to 12, but if you simplify this, then the ratio you see after simplification, it becomes 3 is to 4. Now children, same way, let's again here continue the session and discuss the fifth question. Now the fifth question is also very interesting. These are the questions which you have done before also. Okay, nothing new we are going to discuss. Now the fifth question is fill in the blank type. There is a blank. I will write down the question first. It is given, see, 15 upon 18 is equals to, there is a box, missing number, find out that missing number, fill this box with some number, is equals to 10 upon, again one missing number, is equals to, again here you have a missing number, and here it is 30. Let's move. How we will solve this? First children, take these two. Write down here from 15 upon 18. You compare this with 6. This type of question we have discussed before. In 18's table we will not get 6. That means it is not getting multiplied. And I told you when you come back to the reverse form, backward, that means there is some number here with which we divide and get the number. Now tell, in 6 table, when you get 18, 6 into 3, yes, but we have to compare with this number. So here if you multiply, they should be equal. So that means here you will divide that by 3. Same thing you will do here also. You will get the missing number. So 3, when you divide it by 15, you get the answer 5 by 6. Now, remember 5 by 6. Now with this will be our center number, okay? We got, why? Because children, this is, see, in reduced form. Yes, so we will use this number, and each time we will compare with the other set of numbers. So now what we have, 5 by 6, you You compare 5 by 6 with this number. Now it's easy. 5 times by what you multiply, you get 10, it's 2. Same number you will write down here and multiply it with the same number. So 6 times 2 is 12. So we got the another number 10 by 12. Okay. Then what do you have? Then again you have one more blank. You will write down this much with pencil, solve it. Then again write down the same number. The next number. It is a blank, and on this and at denominator you have 30. With what number we will compare? We will use this number 5 by 6. Now in 6 table, when you get 30, you get 5 times. So you will multiply 5 also with 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So like this you will get the last number also, that is 25 by 30. Now this is one part. After this they have asked you that are these numbers what you have got, these missing numbers, then the set to compare, are they in equivalent form? Let us check. See. So you first take this number 15 by 18. Let's simplify. Take 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. So for 5 by 18, what we got? We got 5 by 6. The another number is already in reduced form, 5 by 6. Let's check the next number, 10 by 12. So this will be 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So see, 10 by 12 when you simplify you get 5 by 6. Okay, same number. 25 by 30. 5 times 5, 5 6 are 30. So here also when you simplify you get the same number. So you have this part, that are these equivalent ratios? The answer will be after showing this. Yes, the above ratios are equivalent ratio. Okay. So here we have completed the the fourth and the fifth question. Same way you have sixth question. It is just the same. I will explain you the sixth question also, so that you can do some work at home and prepare well for your exams. Now see children, the sixth question is find the ratio. Find the ratios of what? See, the first one is 81 to 108. Simply children, what you have to do, whatever number is there, ratio of 81 is to 108. Try to simplify it. Write down at 81 and 108. How can you simplify? Check the rule. With 2, we cannot cancel it. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Yes. This will go by 3. So take 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21 here. 3 3s are 9. 3 6s are 18. 27 and 36. Again this will go by 3. 3 9s are 3 12s are. Again you can take the 3 only. 3 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Further you see, now it is already in reduced form. You cannot simplify it, okay? So what is the ratio? 3 upon 4. Ratio will be 3 is to 4. This is how you have to solve the fifth question. Sorry, the sixth question. Let us take one more example. Here we have 30 minutes. Let me write this part. Now suppose here it is given 30 minutes to, what is the next one? 45 minutes. Check children. What we will do? Same thing. 30 minutes is to, you have to find the ratio of these two numbers. Write down in ratio form. Now let's simplify 30 minutes and 45 minutes. Minutes will get cancelled. Start with this. 3 and 4, 5. See, this is 9 and this will go by. See, both are divisible by 3. So take 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are and 1 0. Now change the table. This will go by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. What do you have? You have 2 by 3. It is in reduced form. What is the ratio? It is 2:3. What do you mean by 2:3? That is whatever you have here 2 times, the same thing here you will get it at 3 times. Okay, check 2:3. That is, see, 15 2s are 30 and check 15 3s are 45. You do it with any number. Okay, this is in equivalent form. We are reducing it to, see, this was an equivalent fraction. Okay, now we are reducing it to standard form. Okay, but this is just an example I told you. 2:3 means that any number you take 2 times of that and the same number you see 3 times of that. Yes, so here we have completed 6th question also. Children, please try till 6th question, and I am pretty much sure that the 7th question will be also very easy for you. Let me give you one hint to solve the 7th question also. See, in the 7th question, see children, these questions are same. It's very similar. You don't have to, think about any formula. You have to only pay attention. Here the start point is check if they are in ratio and if they have unit. The unit should be same. In case the unit is not same, you bring it to common unit. That means you have to do the conversion. Only this much you have to remember. Otherwise, ratio is very easy. You just write down the ratio, compare it, simplify it, and you will get the reduced form. Okay, and that will be again in ratio form. You have to write the answer. Now see, in the next question, it is, check this one. See, 30 minutes to, what is it given? It is given 1.5 hours. See children, can we have the ratio of these two numbers? No. Why? Units are not same. You have to change the unit. Divide this by 60 or multiply this by 60. Yes? What do you have? In 1 hour, 1 hour means 60 minutes. So, 1.5 hour is equals to many. So how many? So, that will be 1 to many. So, 1 to many means 1.5 into 60. You know how to multiply. Blow off this will become 10. Cancel this and this. Now, what do you have? You have 15 6s. That is 90. 90 what? We are converting it into minutes. So, here see, it's so easy. This much you have to mention. So, here we got 30 minutes. And instead of 1.5 hours, we can write down 90 minutes. Now this has become your previous question. Only this trick they are playing with you. 6th and 7th question are same. सिर्फ यही trick है. In the next question you will see units are different. You bring the units same, convert it, and then it will become which is your 6th question. Okay. So see here, just start. 30 is to 90. Cancel this. You are having now 3 is to 9. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So what is the ratio? The ratio is 1 is to 3. My lovely children, please try questions till 7. You have any doubt, please revert me back. I'll try to explain you whichever question you have doubt. God bless you children.